What's up, y'all? My name is Mason. I've been playing drums for about 12 years now. I currently play with a group called Malicious Intent here out of Austin, Texas, and I played the Collision 2B drumsticks. The biggest thing that jumped out to me about Collision when I first started playing with them, and what has continued to be my favorite thing, is just how durable these sticks really are. How long they'll last you, just how tough in general they are. And then another thing that I really gotta say is they're always so perfectly balanced. They always feel amazing. They never feel too light, never too heavy. They're always perfect. I don't know how they do it, but they've continued to manage it the whole time I've been playing them. Which brings me to my final point about Collision, the consistency of the product. It's always exactly what I expect. It's always exactly what I want, and I've never had any complaints about the product. I've never ran into any issues with consistency or product quality. It's always top of the line. And especially if you're a metal drummer, I really think there's no one better than Collision. It's just, it's unmatched in the game. So now, here's a live drum cam playthrough of our song Threat.